Have you ever had one of those moments where like everything seems to be running smoothly with your ERP system
Hmm.
and then suddenly, boom, some crucial business process just goes haywire?
Yeah, behind the scenes stuff. Definitely not a good feeling, especially when it starts impacting other parts of your operations.
Absolutely. So today we're going to dive into a pretty clever solution for this exact problem, and it comes from the work of Kirti. She's an associate functional consultant at Banos Solutions.
Okay.
And she's got like 6 years of experience in the ERP world. She's worked extensively with building reports and using those powerful generic inquiries in Acumatica.
So she really knows her way around the system then.
Totally. And one of the big pain points she tackled head on was this issue of not being able to easily see when business events fail in Acumatica.
Right, because without that visibility, you're basically flying blind.
Exactly. And that can cause all sorts of delays and errors. So Kirti's solution was to build a special dashboard just for tracking those failed business events.
Interesting. So how did she go about doing that?
Well, she harnessed the power of Acumatica's generic inquiries. It's a really flexible tool that lets you like ask very specific questions about your data.
Sort of like a customized search tool.
Yeah, exactly. And you get these focused results that can be super insightful. So let's break down how this works. She started by targeting two main data sources in Acumatica, the BP event table and the BP event history table.
Okay, now what's the difference between those two?
Well, the BP event table is like your master list of all the configured business events you have in your system.
Got it. So it's like the blueprint for all the automated actions.
Right. And then the BP event history table is where the magic happens. It keeps track of every time one of those events runs and whether it was a success or a failure.
So that's where we can see if things went wrong.
Precisely. So to connect these two tables, Kirti used something called an inner join.
So in this case, we'd only be looking at business events that have actually run and have a history recorded.
Exactly. And then she showed how you can use filters to really narrow down what you're looking for. She also applied a filter to the BP event history table, focusing on this checkbox called From Schematic.
Okay, not familiar with that one. What does it do?
Well, it helps ensure that you're only looking at events that were triggered automatically by the system rather than manually by a user.
I see. So it helps isolate the events that are part of those automated processes.
Exactly. And here's the real kicker to pinpoint the failed events. Specifically, she filtered the BP event history status to only show entries with a failed value.
Makes sense. So basically, you're telling the generic inquiry, hey, only show me the stuff that didn't work. Okay, but you're still looking at a list of data, right?
True, but here's where it gets really powerful. Kirti showed how you can take this generic inquiry and turn it into a widget right on your Acumatica dashboard.
Oh, nice. So instead of having to run reports, you can see it at a glance.
Right front and center.
Yeah.
So in her demo, when everything was running smoothly, the widget just showed 0 failed events. But if something were to fail, that number would jump up immediately.
That's so much better than waiting for someone to report an issue or discovering it accidentally later on.
Totally. It gives you that immediate awareness so you can jump in and fix things before they snowball into bigger problems.
Proactive problem solving instead of reactive firefighting.
Exactly. And that can save you so much time and stress.
No doubt. So what's the main takeaway here for our listeners? It really highlights how flexible Acumatica is. You can customize it to fit your specific needs and gain valuable insights into your operations.
And speaking of ensuring your Acumatica system is running like a well-oiled machine, I got to give a shout out to Tayana Solutions. They're the biggest services partner out there for Acumatica Cloud ERP, and they've got this incredible team of consultants who can help you with literally everything from implementation and customization to support and optimization. So if you're interested in learning more about how Tayana Solutions can help you out, you can book an appointment to chat about your specific needs. Just give them a call at 678-910-2774.